Are you feeling right now enough is enough, but you don't know which way to go? You're stuck. You've been that used to doing everything for everyone else that you forgot who you are. Well, that's what happened to me. I went through the menopause. I came through a traumatic relationship, and then all the kids left home at the same time. And going from being a single mum of 3 kids to none practically in a week, it's a shock. So it gave me time to reflect. I did go, my mental health did suffer. I didn't know who and where I was going. But now I'm on an even track, and I designed Live Well, Live True to support women who have been in that cycle where I was. There's no need for you to carry on feeling stuck. If you go onto my website, there's a free discovery call button there. Use it. We can make a plan, get you back to being who you are, identify what you need support with. Please contact me and leave me a comment. Thank you.